Hello dear students, welcome back. I am Sharda Lande, your English teacher. In our previous lecture, you study about the Mahatma Gandhi ji and Bal Gangadhar Lokmanya Tilak. After that, I'll explain you some question and answers. Now today we are going to continue the other information about you see this picture. Who is she? Who is she, students? She is Savitribai Phule. You see the name. You see it? She is a Savitribai Phule. Her full name is Savitribai Jyotirao Phule. First I want to tell you some information about her. Savitribai Phule was an Indian social reformer, educationalist and poet from Maharashtra. She is regarded as the first female teacher of India along with her husband Jyotirao Phule and she played an important role in women's rights in India. She was born in 3rd January 1831. It means Savitribai Phule was born in 3rd January 1831 in Naigaon. In 1840, she got married with Mahatma Jyotirao Phule. Mahatma Jyotirao Phule was born in 11 April 1827. Mahatma Jyotirao Phule's full name is Jyotirao Govindrao Gore at first. But they selling a flowers. That's why people are called him Mali. In Hindi we said it Mali. So that's why they got the name Phule. That's why people called him Mahatma Jyotirao Phule. He was born in Kadgun, Satara in Maharashtra in 11 April in 1827, and he got marriage with her. It means Savitribai Phule with Savitribai Phule in 1840. When Mahatma Jyotirao Phule at home teach her wife, he teach to Savitribai Phule and he said her that you have to study. He said to her, you have to study and you have to become a teacher for the girls, for the women. So all these things I will explain you in this paragraph. So students, listen to me very carefully. Okay. Now I read the paragraph and all of you listen to me very carefully. Today we see that girls go to school, colleges and excel in every walk of life along with men. But this was not always so in the past. Women and the downtrodden section of the society did not have the right to education. They were not allowed to work in any important position. Their life was miserable. This was a great social injustice. Social reformers fought against the injustice and discrimination. Foremost among them were Mahatma Jyotirao Phule and his wife Savitribai Phule. Mahatma Phule started the first school for girls in Pune in 1848 in the face of great social opposition. At a time when women were not allowed to read and write, Savitribai became the first woman to teach in a girls' school. To stop her, people created many obstacles in her path. They even threw dirt and stones at her, but she did not waver. She did not give up her noble cause. Her nobility and courage will always guide men and women alike in the course of their life and career. So students, I tell you, Savitribai Phule was born in 3rd January in 1831. In 1840, she got married with Mahatma Jyotirao Phule. She is the first woman teacher in India because at that time people thought that people thought that no need to girls to study because she is always in the house and her work is to handle his household chores. Her responsibility is to take care of her family. So that's why people thought that girls did not need to go to school and girls did not need to go to school to study. But Mahatma Jyotirao Phule saw the condition of women in India, and that's why that time he realized that I have to do something for the women's rights. That's why he decided to open the school for girls. And that's why in 1848 they opened the first school. They opened first girls' school. Many peoples are against him to opening the school for girls, but Mahatma Phule did not lose her patience. He decided that I am opening a school for the girls' rights. Some people are supported him, but some are against him, and that's why many people are creating many obstacles in their path. Many people are threw the dirt and stones at her, but Savitribai Phule did not wear. They did not mind it because Mahatma Phule and Savitribai Phule really know that if we are suffering all these things, but in future women's not going to suffer all these things because of their efforts, and their efforts are succeed. That's why when they open the school, that time people want to stop them, but they both are very courageous, and that's why they did it what they wanted. So students, if you know that nowadays if girls go to school, colleges and excel in every walk of life along with men, so all this credit goes to Savitribai Phule and Mahatma Phule. Because of them, if they did not hard work, they did not any efforts to opening a school, so today's condition, no girls can go to school. No woman has any right but they both are fought for the women's rights, and they both are succeed in their efforts. I'll explain you in Hindi. If you don't understand, so after that you understood it. So students, महात्मा फुले एंड सावित्रीबाई फुले. सावित्रीबाई फुले का जन्म 3 जनवरी 1831 में हुआ था नायगांव में, और उनकी शादी महात्मा फुले जी से 1840 में हुई थी. महात्मा फुले उस टाइम उन्होंने यहाँ इंडिया में मतलब भारत में वो पुणे में रहते थे, और वहाँ पे उन्होंने लोगों की कंडीशंस देखी थी. जब उन्होंने देखा कि लड़कियों की बचपन में ही मतलब जब वो छोटी उम्र में ही उनकी शादी करवा दी जाती है. अगर कुछ लड़कियां छोटी उम्र में ही विधवा हो जाए तो उनको अपनी खुद की जान देनी पड़ती है. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस जो हमारी इंडिया में जो परंपराएं चलती आ रही थी, उन सभी परंपराओं के चलते छोटी सी उम्र में ही लड़कियों की गर्ल्स की लाइफ हेल हो जाती थी. और उसी वजह से सावित्रीबाई फुले और महात्मा फुले ने कोशिश की कि उन्हें ये सब कुछ चेंज करना है, सब कुछ बदलना है. और उसी वजह से महात्मा फुले ने उनकी वाइफ को मतलब सावित्रीबाई फुले को उन्होंने घर पे ही पढ़ाया. उन्होंने उन्हें घर पे पढ़ाया और उन्हें कहा कि तुम्हें आपको एक टीचर बनना है. टीचर बन के आपको और लड़कियों को भी पढ़ाना है, इसलिए आपको जोरों शोरों से मेहनत करनी होगी. और फिर सावित्रीबाई फुले ने भी महात्मा फुले ने उन्हें जो जो कहा उन्होंने बिल्कुल वैसे ही किया. और फिर 1848 उस टाइम उन्होंने 1848 उन्होंने लड़कियों की पहली स्कूल ओपन की पुणे में. जब उन्होंने पहली स्कूल ओपन की थी तो उस टाइम लोगों का उन्हें सपोर्ट नहीं था, लोग उनकी मदद नहीं करते थे, बल्कि वो जो काम कर रहे थे अच्छा काम, उसमें भी लोग रुकावटें डाल रहे थे. जब सावित्रीबाई फुले घर से लड़कियों को पढ़ाने के लिए निकलती थी तो लोग उन पर कचरा और पत्थर फेंका करते थे, पर फिर भी उन्होंने कभी भी उस बात की वजह से हार नहीं मानी, गिव अप नहीं किया, क्योंकि वो जानती थी उन्हें जो भी करना है वो एक अच्छा काम कर रही है. और उस वजह से सभी लड़कियां, सभी जो वुमेन्स है, उन सभी के राइट्स के लिए, उन सभी के अधिकारों के लिए वो झगड़ रहे थे दोनों. और इसी वजह से उनके वो जो ये कोशिशें कर रहे थे, उनकी उस कोशिश में उन्हें सक्सेस मिली. उनकी उस कोशिश में उन्हें सक्सेस मिलने के बाद उन्होंने 1848 में पहला स्कूल पुणे में ओपन किया था. बहुत से लोगों ने उनके काम में रुकावट भी डाली, पर फिर भी वो उनके काम में सक्सेस हो गए. महात्मा फुले जी ने कुछ बुक्स भी लिखे हैं. उनमें से उनकी कुछ बुक्स में से कुछ नाम मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी. गुलामगिरी, शेतकऱ्यांचा असूड, और बहुत सी और भी बुक्स हैं. जब आप आगे की क्लास में जाएंगे, आप जैसे जैसे हिस्ट्री पढ़ेंगे तो आपको उसमें महात्मा फुले और सावित्रीबाई फुले के बारे में और भी डिटेल में जानकारी मिलेगी. मैं आपको जितना आज के लिए मुझे जितना आपको बताना था मैं आपको उतना बता चुकी हूँ. सो स्टूडेंट्स, महात्मा फुले का जन्म 11 अप्रैल 1827 में हुआ था और उनका निधन 28 नवंबर 1890 में हुआ था. और वैसे ही सावित्रीबाई फुले, उनका जन्म 3 जनवरी 1831 में हुआ था और उनका निधन 10 मार्च 1897 में पुणे में हुआ था. सो दिस इज द स्टोरी अबाउट द सावित्रीबाई फुले, that how she fought for the women's right and how she support her husband and how she did lots of efforts as a teacher, as a wife, as a woman, and they both are fought for the women's and girls' rights, and because of them Now today's girls are very lucky because of सावित्रीबाई फुले. अगर सावित्रीबाई फुले नहीं होती तो आज समाज में कोई भी लड़की आपको स्कूल में जाती हुई नज़र नहीं आती, लड़कियों, गर्ल्स. सो आज के लिए आपको इतना ही. हम हमारे आने वाले, आप जैसे आगे जाएंगे तो आपको सावित्रीबाई फुले और महात्मा फुले के बारे में और भी जानकारी मिलेगी. ठीक है. सो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल मीट इन अवर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. थैंक्स फॉर द वॉचिंग. थैंक यू.